We're going to move forward on Demetrius Stanso, Booker.
Yes, Judge, that is correct.
Did this case get sent to the DWI court?
Yes, it got rejected from the DWI court.
All right. Okay, here we go. At this time, the court will call the case of Demetrius Stanso, cause number 649716. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Caleb Bortner for the state.
Nell Smith for defendant.
Good morning, Mr. Stanso. How are you doing, sir?
Good morning.
Are you the same Demetrius Stanso who's been charged to the DWI second?
The same.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
I am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney?
Not really, but.
Okay.
I mean, yes. We've discussed it. Yes. I'm making my plea today, Your Honor. I'm prepared. I'm ready.
Are you sure? Because
yes.
I was plea and you guys can go right back in the breakout room and discuss
this. I'm ready.
Okay. Counselor, are you sure your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea today? Counselor.
I think we should go back in the breakout room, Your Honor.
All right. Let's step back.
No, please not.
Nope. Step back. Booker, put them in a breakout room together. Okay, so we're back on the record with Demetrius Stanso. Are you guys ready to move forward?
Yes, Your Honor.
We are.
Okay, very well. All right, so I'm just going to start over again, okay? So at this time, the court will call the case of Demetrius Stanso, cause number 649716. But each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please.
Caleb Bortner for the state.
Nell Smith for the defendant.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Stanso. How are you doing, sir?
Good morning.
Are you the same Demetrius Stanso who's been charged with a DWI second?
I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
I am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney?
Yes.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Stanso, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
I did.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign that document?
I did.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Stanso, are you entering into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes.
State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Your Honor. We're proceeding on the DWI second, Class A. The plea bargain is for a $600 fine, court costs, 12 months, Bexar County Jail probated over 12 months, DWI intervention, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 180 days the Texas driver's license suspension, 30 days GPS, home monitoring, and 40 community service hours.
Do you have the case number for one of them?
40 hours community service?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why are we doing 30 days of GPS?
Because statutorily, well, I offered it instead of jail time, Your Honor.
Nell, what is your response to this?
My client would like to do GPS instead of jail time.
Okay. Well, Nell, I'll give you this advice because you're a very new attorney. Even if they had offered him jail time, I probably wouldn't have assessed it. I probably would have just held it in abeyance. But that's for another day. Next time, remember that, okay? All right. This is everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement? Everyone?
Well, Your Honor, I would like to ask you questions off the record, or I'll come down to the courtroom if that would be okay. And we can stop this plea right now.
Well, Nell, this is the issue. I know you're very new in the public defender's office, and I respect that their supervisors will be training you on these issues. Like of these things, of these pleas that are going forward. Like this was something that I think that your supervisors should be telling you how the pleas are done and how to move forward in pleas, what to put in pleas and what not to put in pleas. And that's not on you, that's on the public defenders. That's not on you, you're new. Now, do you guys want to stop and move forward, or do you want to continue? Do you want to continue with this, or do you guys want to stop?
I think we should stop, and I should talk to my client.
Can I just speak for a second, Your Honor? This is my concern. Is not that she's not a nice person, not that she's not trying, but that like I can tell like that she's and it's because she's new, right? But my case has been handled by so many different people, and that's why I feel like it's not getting handled accordingly. But I'm willing to take the deal because what I'm being told is this the best deal I have to offer. So all I'm asking for you is just to be a fair and impartial judge at this matter and just help me get the best that I can get with this. Because at this point, it's been 2.5 years and 4 counselors. And I'm a single father and I have a lot going on. So I just really need to get this over with.
Sir, this case is being handled by the public defenders. If you don't like what they're doing, there is an option that you can hire your own attorney. Like this case has been going on for 2 years. That's completely what your defense is. Like, I don't have anything to do with that. The deal that the deal that is being made is being presented to me. I have no part in making the deal. That deal is being presented to me as the judge. And I can either accept or not accept the deal that's being presented to me. But what is going on and how that deal is going out, that's between your attorney and the public and the DA's office. And so this offer that's on the table right now, you can either move forward with it or your attorney is saying she wants to stop and reconsider some aspects of the deal. But if you want to move forward with it, we can move forward with it.
Now, how soon can you get me back in court if we pause this?
I don't know how soon, but I can ask for a reset.
Or can we do the sidebar and come right back just so we can discuss whatever it is you need to discuss?
Yes, is that okay, Booker?
Yes.
We can recall it as soon as tomorrow.
Let's recall it for tomorrow. Could we, Demetrius?
Okay. But that means we need to talk like as soon as we get out of here so we can really figure out what's going on. It's not waiting for
tomorrow, Booker. You could put Nell back in the breakout room with her client.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
The record, I'll start again. At this time, the court will call the case of Demetrius Stansel, cause number 649716. Would each side state their name and who they represent for the record, please?
Caleb Bortner for the state.
Nell Smith for the defense.
Good morning, Mr. Stansel. How are you doing, sir?
Good morning.
Are you the same Demetrius Stansel in charge of the DWI second?
I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
I am.
Have you had an opportunity to discuss this case with your lawyer?
I have.
And counselor, are you satisfied your client is competent enough to move forward in the plea this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Stansel, did you get an opportunity to go over a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonishments?
I did.
Did you go over that document with your lawyer?
Yes.
Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Counselor, are you satisfied your client understands his waiver of constitutional rights?
Yes.
Mr. Stansel, are you entering into your plea voluntarily this morning?
Yes.
State, is there a plea bargain?
There is, Your Honor. We're proceeding on the Class A DWI second.
No.
Plea offer is for a $600 fine. Court costs 12 months. Bear County Jail probated over 12 months. DWI intervention, victim impact panel, TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 40 community service hours, 72 hours continuous Bear County Jail, and 180 days Texas driver's license suspension.
Okay. Is this everyone's understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Mr. Stansel, how do you plead to this charge?
No contest.
No contest. Very well. The court accepts your plea of no contest. Fine has been voluntarily and intelligently entered into, and also punishment as follows. We're going to move forward with a $600 fine, court costs, 12 months in the Bexar County Jail, probated for 12 months, a DWI intervention class, the BIP class, a TAP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, 40 hours of community service, 72 hours jail time, which I will hold in abeyance, 180 days driver's license suspension, also supervisory fee at $40. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing else from either side, sir, I have followed your plea bargain agreement. You do not have my permission to appeal this. Mr. Stansel, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with our probation officer, Mr. Kimbrough. Counselor, did you want to go into that breakout room also?
No, thank you.
Okay. Counselor, does Mr. Stansel reside in Bexar County?
Yes.
Okay, very well. All right. Everyone is excused. Good luck to you, Mr. Stansel. Just look for that join button to pop up. All right. Everyone is excused. Thank you, Counselor, for coming on, taking care of this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.